Juma nege ya tariki kenda mweri ari wa mwisho ari go mweri wa Dithemba mwaka wa 2023 ni mwaka wa kwate kiumia gyaku ani kirari kiega ni kimwaka wa kwate kiumia gyaku ni kirai korirwo agigutwara wega ni nani ne ndagioka nigetha tukorwo tugikinikireria install gutwara ginya kuria iharo ine gumenyithia uri ciana cia atumia acirai korirwo kiegareka iharo ine maundu ni maingi meto ko harithairie undirikane muthenya wa umuthi ni tukorwo kuria amwana wa Kiambu kuria tukorwo Mbitika ini cia Kiambu Aquatics tukorwo tukirora uri andu maikoragwo magikorwo makihitahitana gwakane kihitahitano ine kia mai gana cia mwanya tukorwo tukiranaria kumana wa Facebook ari Muthingi TV na kumana wakwa ari gwa Wambui Njau the sports girl okokejira orerera tafaire no ya Metameta cia Mathako okiriko gukwari kwa Muthingi TV narikani ati Metameta cia Mathako yukinyagira o muthenya wa Juma wona cia wega thaa 8 ginya thaa 10 cia hwaini harabe koragwo gikurehera nie Mathako na kuria gwiraga kana kuria goragwo gikurehera ginya ageni aria makwa magitwira uria Mbitika kana uria maundu maikarago magikara iharo-ini gwoka ni mathako ma basketball gwoka ni mathako ma gwitubira urikane mwe turai gukira imwe kwa imwe kuma goko akana kuma mwena wa Porterhouse mwena wa Runda gukore county-ini ya Kiambu kuria Mbitika iri ikorwo githako ni Mbitika cia gutubira no mbere da
Safaricom is sponsoring to the tune of 6 million shillings this incredible race through the country of 5,000 kilometers going through 11 counties. Safaricom cares about motorsport in Kenya because it is a sport that involves all of Kenyans, either as spectators, drivers, part of the crew and organizers. Not only that, but also we have visitors coming into the country to participate in this epic rally that will go for 5,000 kilometers and will go through 11 counties in Kenya. Safaricom Financial Services provides a way for people to easily transact. A platform called the M-Pesa Super App. It is data free. You do not need to use data bundles in order to transact or use the app. In addition to that, as you travel for the rally or for the holidays and you plan your travel, we're providing cashback offers that are only available on the Super App.
Of December till the 18th of December.
Haya, mwekoro mukiyumria ku mwena wa Diani mukoro